Hi everyone, Love to Share is here again. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create formula in Microsoft Excel, particularly with the use of the if, average, and sum statement or function in Microsoft Excel. So, for instance, in the SF9, it's called Form 9. So, we can actually create a formula for the average. So for this, you can see at the formula bar we can determine that this is not a formula. So here, see, okay, we can change this one or we can create formula for this. These are only the average of each subject. So to create a formula, just simply start typing the equal sign, and then the average function. Average, the syntax is with open parenthesis and then highlight or select the range of cell you want to get the average. So look at the formula bar. At the formula bar equals average, meaning the range is, it will get the average from B6, from column B row 6 up to E6. So close it with close quotation and then press enter. So we can see when we click this one, you can see that this is the average. It's not, meaning it's not encoded. So this is a formula. So we can actually drag this one, this fill handle, at the lower right corner of the active cell. Position your mouse pointer. If mouse pointer looks like a solid plus sign, you can hold down your left mouse button and then drag down to copy the formula. So see, you have already the formula to get the average. So meaning, if this is the formula, any changes you made here with the grades will take effect on the final rating, because these are formulas. You can also create formulas for pass and failed. So here we can use the if statement. So for instance, we're going to delete this one. So if, so always start with an equal sign because you're going to insert a formula. So write the formula where you want to display the result. So if if function, here you can see the syntax for using the if statement or function in Microsoft Excel is if logical test, then the value if true, comma, if the value is false. So meaning, logical test, meaning you're going to create a condition to match with the pass or failed. Okay, so make a condition. So since your base is the final rating, so if means the final rating here, if F6, the content of F6 is 90, and then write a relational statement in, or mathematical operators in Microsoft Excel, which is, for instance, if F6 is greater than or equal to 75, then the syntax is you need to put a comma after the logical test. So that means that is your condition. If F6 is greater than, meaning sobra sa 75 or equal, then the value if true, value if true, meaning you're going to write pass here if the value is true. Next, on the syntax, if value is false, you're going to write open quotation and then failed. Okay, if it doesn't match your condition, meaning it will display failed. So okay, so that's your formula. You press enter to accept. See, it will display pass, and you can also copy the formula by pointing at the fill handle at the corner. Drag down to copy the formula. Okay, so that's your formula, meaning any grades that will change will take effect on the remarks and on the final rating, because these are already formulas. For instance, we're going to change this one to 75, 74, 74, 74. Okay, when we press enter, it will automatically change the final rating. See the average of this. When you highlight this one, you can also look at the bottom. Is at the bottom, it's average 74.25. You see here, and there are 4 counts, and then the sum here 74, and then it will automatically change to failed because it doesn't match the condition for F6 is greater than or equal to 75. Okay, so next, the sum. How to use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. So for instance, okay, so for the sum here, for example, you're going to get the sum of this from here to here, from September to June. It's 213. So that means this is not formula, because when I click, because it's only number will display at the formula bar. So that means this is not a formula. So if you want a formula, so meaning any changes you made here will take effect on the total. So equals sum function, just simply type the sum and then close parenthesis. And then inside the parenthesis is the range of cell you want to get the sum. So just simply highlight, okay, up to June, then close. And you can read the range of cell from B6 to the column means to K9. So press enter, K9 here, key K to K9, the range, then enter. 213. So you can simply copy this one, dragging the fill handle, that's 213. And you can see that this is a formula, because at the formula bar you can see formula, it's not only the number. Escape. Okay, so that's all how to create formula in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.